Hello everyone. Today, as it is all of you all know, we have our monthly meet of the IBP Premium Members Chapter 1. It's 2nd August and every first Friday we have this meet. So I'm your host and host, Dr. Malahat Hina, the news editor of IBP News, and today we have a lot of people with us. A lot, as in, they're all interacting with each other. We have a lot of stalls. Something unique about today is that we have a lot of stalls. A lot of people have kept their stalls. There are a lot of people who are interacting, and now people have actually got to know the actual meaning of connecting, interacting with each other. This is what they're doing. Though there are a lot of people, there's some more to come in, but we have lovely stalls here with lovely packaging and lovely things. So I'll just take you around all the things. You can have a look. We have, the skin and hair. That's Dr. Hina's organic skin and hair products. So we have skin, hair. We have everything. Then we have Dr. Divya Malhotra's book launch. And it looks so wonderful and colorful. Yes, Dr. Malhotra, what do you have to say about your book?
Well, my book, thank you Malahat. My book is all about numbers and planets with the simple remedies, and I'm sure if people, whoever will read it will get results definitely.
Thank you so much, Dr. Divya Malhotra. This was really nice, and I'm sure everybody's going to get results. This is something very, very wonderful and very, very colorful. So we have Mrs. Preeti Shah, who's bought something very wonderful for us. Is this for taste, Mrs. Shah?
Please, you should taste everything,
Okay, thank you so much. What is all this?
So we have all exotic dry fruit sweets we have. We have a anji flavor, lemon flavor, blueberry flavor, peru flavor, and we have a sugar free also which has no additive sugar, which has a blueberry and cranberries natural sugar. So that is again, it's a healthy and with lots and lots of dry fruits. One must try. We have a trial samples tasting also. And we have a ready to eat food packets also. Ready to eat food packets also, which has you have to just hit it and eat it. There's paneer is there, dal makhani is there, rajma is there. अच्छा इधर खाने हम ले लेते हैं, पैकेट गरम करके ले लेते हैं, खत्म करो. मैं दूँ आपको कुछ?
Queen of Numbers and Planets with the numerologist from Numerology Precise Solutions. Today I have a stall here in IBP News Channel, and I have kept my books, which is called Treasure Quest Within, A Number for Success. And the book is all about numbers and planets, your personal date of birth with destiny number, and with simple remedies. It's very easy. Any layman person, in a layman language, I would say any person can read and get effects on this.
Representing Kiran Kolani, she's into the category of fashion accessories. A few things have been displayed on the table. It's almost a clearance sale, and she also has an Insta page, Desi Chowk. She can follow.
हेल्थ के लिए है, और इस मेडिसिन का मिराकल ये है कि ये विद 18 नेशनल इंटरनेशनल सर्टिफिकेशन के साथ है. हमारी इसमें खासियत ये है कि हम गारंटी के साथ में शुगर, थायराइड, कैंसर के रिजल्ट देते हैं और बीमारी को परमानेंटली करते. एक बार बीमारी खत्म होते गारंटी वापस बीमारी रिपीट नहीं होगी. ऐसे थाउजेंड्स ऑफ रिजल्ट मेरे पास हैं.
Anu Kapoor from Chocolate. Please come to my store and see my chocolates. Cakes are there, babies are there, cookies are there. So please come and have a look, and you will really feel happy. So don't count your calories. Come over, count your calories here. Please come. And you, Shubhata sir.
So Kaju chocolates. Today I bought coffee, but wow, it's yum. One must buy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Pooja Shah, and since last 3 to 4 months we are buying Hanuman's chocolates, which are very yummy chocolates. So everyone, please buy. Hello everyone. Hello. I am Dr. Pooja Shah. I am a dietitian. I treat all types of patients. So we keep healthy snacks also in the clinic to send it over to the patients, which are and she's just bought it. And it's all gluten free, it's all sugar, no maida, no sugars. It's made up of minimum oil and 10% jaggery if required. But these are all healthy and all made up of nuts and seeds. Thank you. Okay, please.
Even Even I have bought this. This is very healthy. Please buy it.
Hi, what's your name and what do you do? What's your category?
See, my name is Pradeep Kadam. I am into alkaline water ionizer. I deal in Hydrogel Plus, which is an Indian brand since last 10 years. Having more than 1,000 plus clients. I am the sole distributor for this product.
Thank you so much. Hi, what's your name and what do you do?
My name is Architect Vijay Falnikar, and I have the privilege of being invited by Ratnakar Chaudhary sir today. I am an architect by profession.
Thank you so much. How do you like it here? You like it here?
Of course, yes, there's diverse kind of business owners here. I got to meet a lot of very interesting business owners, so I'm loving it and I'm looking forward to your formal meeting as well, sir.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Yeah, hi, what do you do and what's your name?
Hi, my name is Simran and I'm a co-founder of Simply Art. Simply Art is an interior company that specializes in globally sourced and curated interior and home decor products like indoor and outdoor water fountains, root furniture from Indonesia. We have the teak and brass and wood and a lot of idol sculptures. We have been into this from the last 24 plus years and enhancing the indoor and the outdoor of your spaces. So for peaceful spaces and beautiful products, simply call Simply Art. Thank you so much.
आपका क्या नाम है और आप करते क्या है? क्या कैटेगरी है?
Myself is Bhanu Prakash Gupta. I am a scientist from Bhabatomi Research Center, and from last 12 years I am working for health. I am associated with Mission Healthy India as well as Mission Organic India.
Thank you so much. I can see lovely products. So is this all made by you?
No, behind these medicines, our scientists from DRDO, from AYUSH are there, जिनका ये रिसर्च है और ये रिसर्च कंप्लीट होने के बाद में एक ग्रुप के पास में आता है और वो ग्रुप इस मेडिसिन को ट्रायल्स के बाद में हम जैसे लोग तो बताए और हम इसे समाज तक पहुंचाते हैं.
Thank you so much, Bhanuji. Thanks. What's your name and what do you do?
I am CMA Sadanand Sahasrabuddhe. We help corporates improve their profits and protect their profits through energy route. For protection of profit, the biggest risk in energy is that of fire. So we protect them by giving end-to-end solutions in fire alarm as well as in fire protection. And in case of profit improvement, we improve their profit through control of their energy cost or reduction in their energy cost. For this, we address the demand side as well as the rate side. Rate side is addressed through solar systems, and demand side is addressed through energy audits, industrial LED lighting, and solar hot water systems.
Thank you so much. What's your name and what do you do?
Hi IBPN, my name is Mani Iyer. I represent a company called Vigas Group. I am the founder director, which is about 15 years old company working in about 20 states. We are basically into security facility management. We are into staffing payroll. We are into background checks, investigation and all. Do connect with us. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. What's your name and what do you do?
My name is Theo Narona. I am into optical business, wholesale optical business, and I am a premium member of IBP Group. I supply all the optical frames and I can give a really good quality and good rate. And if you all want, you all can take a quotation and compare the rates, and after that you all can buy from me. There is no hard and fast. Thank you.
Thank you. What's your name and what do you do?
I'm Rashmi Mishra and we run a not-for-profit organization called Inspiring Indian Women, and our main purpose is to empower women, and we really want to do something like, empower the women entrepreneurs to run their businesses to wider market, and hence we've started an e-commerce platform called eutsav.org. We want people to send their products, photograph HD quality, and we are going to promote it completely free. Only when it sells, we just take 10%. So we want to the women entrepreneurs to encash the market in UK, so international market, and we want to take the rural India to international market. That's our purpose, to empower women.
Thank you so much. आपका नाम क्या है और आप क्या करती हैं?
ओके, हेलो, मैं पूजा कमाने लाइफ इंश्योरेंस एक फाइनेंशियल एडवाइज़र हूँ और मैं एक समृद्धि भारत कंसेप्ट से जुड़ी हूँ, जहाँ पे हम लोगों को फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम के बारे में बताते हैं, यानी उनका लाइफ के आगे उनका फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, बच्चों का एजुकेशन, उनका रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग, हम पूरा उनको बना के देते हैं। मुझे 15 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है। थैंक यू।
What's your name and what do you do?
My name is Sanjay Mathur and I'm a marketing, brand, advertising and e-commerce consultant for startups and startup e-commerce companies. I actually guide them to take the right direction for upgrading their sales, marketing efforts, and in e-commerce how to make the website, what exactly to do, what not to do, and how to take their sales forward so that they can grow faster. Thank you.
Thank you so much. What's your name and what do you do?
Hi, my name is Roop Lakania. I'm into tarot coaching. If you're stuck in business, stuck in career, health challenges, financial challenges, money challenges, I have a unique way to teach tarot card which can talk about what are your limiting beliefs, what are your emotional blocks, and what you really need to understand to reach your desired outcome. So would you like to be learning these cards and make your learning as earning? So once you have learned, you can make it as earning. Thank you.
Thank you so much.